Hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel. Bedroom wall panels have become incredibly popular for their authentic and functional benefits. So friends, today video is about the beautiful bedroom wall panels, and we have going to discuss what are the advantages and the features of that panels. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Then please subscribe to this channel, like and share. This video. So let's continue to the topic. Nowadays, these panels have become more popular for their authentic and the functional benefits. So let me understand the advantage of these panels. Like first, one is authentic appeal. Wall panels add a modern and stylish look